so sad my baby have to go. But you know, how are you feeling, babe?
Sad.
Yeah. It's Island boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world. Oh, oh, a girl like you me not let go. Oh, oh, you must come from up heaven. So easy you make me think twice. Finally made up my mind. Instead of be lonely, I'd rather be with you tonight. Let's just mine. Just lay back while I take my time. Just lay back while it feels so right. I'ma run up on you. It's Island boy. Yeah?
Yeah, he just drove past and beeped at me.
Oh.
Yeah, obviously he...
Okay guys, so this is where we're staying. In Kingston, Jasmine Inn. Yeah, so right now we're just gonna take a walk. My baby only have like 2 more days here, which I'm really gonna miss her when she's gone, honestly. You know, but yeah, we're gonna see what the day brings, you know. We're just out the street right now.
So, what designer are you wearing right now?
Right now, I wear the big brand, you see me? German brand, Alive 13 a seat, and I'm the first Jamaican to be rocking it.
Okay.
Right, so you take the bumbo car, you turn the brother. You turn straight now, police. We say,
With the right,
police say, you never see me?
yeah.
You say, officer, tell the truck, me never see you. After me take the U-turn.
Yeah.
You say, are you drunk?
Yeah.
So my cousin pay him. Officer, him not drunk. I'm me drunk.
Up it the GS, I should make you see your face good. What you think up it there? Yeah! Papa GS!
They take me for Papa show. They give me weed and then I want to smoke.
Puff it. Puff it. And you be like weed in a brother. Yeah, got jail in us.
Papa show.
What you like? I pass the weed, I pass around and say I have to come around in the Perkins. I hope your mother no Christian and I beat she can beat you. You have a puffy weed in a car, I don't know, you know. But I top smoke for a long time still, you know. Puffy weed. See pretty.
Yeah, don't slobber it, because you're a slobberer. He slobbers. Sorry, for real, man.
Take it off, brother. To pass round, you know. One time in your life you have to try it, you know, brother.
Nah, man. Don't let him smoke. You don't want to smoke.
Ah, so it's only a girl can make you smoke. I see. It's warm me up, cool, man. I know if you do your thing, you know. I try all dark, be careful. To catch where I do so good, you know, brother. But you see me? Perfect GS. Cool, man. High grade. Pass it around. Pass the coach on the left hand side.
Yeah, this guy is tipsy, yeah.
Thank God made now spin now. So I feel uppity, bruv. Yeah, man, uppity, bruv. You see, pray. Yeah, man, a chippy sitting, brother. You see me? I smoke your weed, you see me? The high grade weed from down at Bob Marley Museum, my highest grade ever.
You're funny, babe.
Get your weed, brother. Get your weed up it, bro. Show me that. Where I say high grade chase. You're funny, man, when I see this. Hey, I tell you. Hey, GS, the one I broke out, you know. I was here when I said, Daddy, what you doing? Yeah. Yo, GS, how you feeling? You feeling good?
Nice.
How much drink you have so far? True? Yeah, go hard, man. How you feel?
That's spin.
That's spin? I'm holy Papa GS. When I go home and be asleep, I got sleep now, you know?
I'm going to tell you.
No more drinking for you then.
Yes.
I'll find a girl and I must tell you.
For real?
CJ, she wants CJ.
Yeah, she's laughing. Go for it, Chase. Make your move, Chase. Make your move.
No more Jamaicans. No more Jamaicans.
He doesn't want a Jamaican man. I wonder why. And a girl they want, man.
American, Australian, Argentinian, Portuguese.
Latina.
You want Spanish? Yeah.
Latina too spicy. No?
Too spicy? The baby's hot. We'll get American then. Second for American. Right now, we don't even know which one is which right now.
That would be buffalo barbecue.
Okay. The top it, bro. A chippy sitting, you see me? Oh yeah, Mr. GS.
Not
Look for my eyes then. Right now, I'm tipsy. Look where boy I drink. They are going to think I'm willing drink, but you know it's not good. You see me? I'm just there, I go and take it easy with me. I ain't the king. You see, pray. And baby here eating. Chippy something. I'm there watching football, you see? 3 Bob Marley shots.
Yeah, for real.
Funny color.
That's pretty.
Lighting. Oh, that's pretty. Look at it. It's beautiful.
Oh yeah, for real. That's really good.
Yeah, man.
Let me see. Oh my gosh. What?
Look at that.
He's gonna have to tell me what to do.
You gotta light. Have a light.
So what do you do?
Stick the straw, drink it fast.
Very fast.
Really fast.
Oh,
Yeah.
Really fast.
stick it and drink it.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Hey, you're on fire.
Strong.
That was nice, strong. You did. I didn't make much of a mess. I made more mess. You made less. Okay, right.
That was sick.
Like that. That was nice, huh?
Yeah, that was sick.
Straight kick.
Yeah,
You
man.
taped me too. I didn't
Yeah.
even see you tape me.
So pity. That was the Bob Marley shot. Sick. My lady here. Hello.
Hi. I'm looking at the game.
Yeah, man. Got a big screen up there. Football going on. That's the vibe right now. You can look around.
What's going on?
So right now I'm there, I made feel aware right now, tipsy. So I'm there. I don't feel like I made a spin. No, but for real though, like, made a spin right now. Let's try to control it, you see, try to hold it. So take a Bob Marley shot and it's at work. In minutes it start work, so I have to dip and you see it.
Another Bob Marley.
Yeah.
One more.
No, sir. No, sir, that's from my Heineken. From my Heineken, you see?
Why not?
That's just gonna make me worse. Follow me on Instagram. You see me? That's AFRIK_I.
Aye.
Same thing on Facebook.
Yeah.
See the pretty topic. With Jesus.
Have a shot. Okay, that's it. We're all having a shot. I don't care what you're saying. Having a shot? Shot.
We got the shots
Can we
here,
get
guys.
like 2 bowls, separate bowls of the fries? Yeah. Are you ready, guys? Here we go. Take that. He's ready? Cheers to Jamaica, Yeah.
Why yo? Careful.
1, 2, 3, skull. Wow. Jesus.
I ain't doing that no. Brother. Think up with the brother. She's about to leave.
Sad, all different kinds of emotions, but at the same time I know that I'll be back
Yeah.
to see you, and that our love is strong.
Yeah.
These last 2 weeks we've been through like a lot. Like we've learned to live with each other, we've learned to smell each other's bums. We've learned to we've had like little arguments, not real
Yeah.
big ones at all.
Yeah.
But we kind of gel really well together
For real.
because he's quiet and I'm the talkative one,
Yeah,
as you can see.
you always bring out the best in me.
Yeah.
That confident level.
And I think he does the same for me. Like he definitely brings out the best of me as well.
Connection is gonna be even more stronger, you know. You know a bit more about each other in person. You know, so we connect more on a soulful level. You know, so that's really great.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And we didn't need any matchmaking or any of that to help us out. We just
Yeah.
already knew that we would click.
Oh, mosquito.
You're getting bitten. But
Jesus
anyways,
Christ.
it's been
Mosquito.
It's been really it's been really good. Jamaica's beautiful. Like look at the scenery.
Yeah. For real though. We're at the airport, guys. The Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston. So sad my baby have to go. But you know, she'll be back. You know.
Back to reality.
Yeah. And we're still gonna keep the communication strong. You know, like when we just met.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah, man.
It just means that emotions and physical attraction and all that is much.
Mucho, and I say welcome to my homeland. You're my only plan. When no one else listening to me, you're still my number one fan. That's why I treat you in this manner. Around me you can be who you wanna. Nobody knows you like I do. That's why I introduce you to mama. Proud Latina queen, she not average. Love our kids, that means she will love mine. Surprise you with a song for your birthday. No, you never did I expect to be spoiled. But me have to show how much me appreciate you. Get your gifts and even cake too. And you are my girl now, so me only want you the best. Glad you are mine. So glad you are mine. Nobody else make me smile. Only you every time. So glad you are mine. So glad you are mine. Nobody else make me smile. Only you every time.
Hey, what's good?
Yeah. Slippery.
Drip, drip.
Yeah, man. Yard man thing. Up it, bro.
Hey.
Hello. Chica de la Isla. For real. Yes, sir.